Welcome back. Today I want to show you how to allow plugins in Google Admin Console. As you can see, I am logged in. First thing you need to do is go to Devices. Click Chrome Management over on the left. Go to Users and Browser Settings. It's down here ways, but you're looking for plugins. I think I'm getting close. There we go. So you'd put the website you want. The way you need to put it is, and then put the website in. This would allow for Flash player or camera or whatever else you need the plugin to use, and this will apply on both Chrome and Chromebooks for your users. I hope this helped, and don't forget to hit save when you're done, and it will work. I hope you have a good day. Thanks for watching.